Alright, well, it's time for some cork underlayment, whatever the heck they call this stuff. It's called, this is through Lumber Liquidators. Quiet Walk, it's called. Got that all secured and installed yesterday. She's all prepped and ready. So, time to do some layout, figure it out. I'm using, again, this Cork. Purdy cork flooring from Lumber Liquidators. One, again, real nice benefit of not only, again, having to lay it out this way where it doesn't get buried underneath the cabinetry or anything, means that you're actually using less square footage of the material as well. Again, it's already fairly a small amount. It's only less than 80 square feet as it was. So basically, that's only four cases of this cork. And I may not even get to the bottom box. We'll find out. So, cool pattern to it. Kind of a slightly greenish tinge to it, but really super tough. And also really, great for moisture, the whole shebang. So, and again, if anything ever happens, I can always pop it up and pop something else in or replace a piece. So, anyway, gonna get to it. What I was talking about for the, where the installing the flooring where the toe kick is. The cabinet's going to stick out about 3 inches here past where this the toe kick is. So if I put this snapping flooring, you can't get it in there without messing around. So this way I can actually have it all installed, put my toe kick on, some finished material over the top of it, leaving it off. This is a tiny bit, so that, again, the whole thing can just expand and contract, and everything can be floating around real nicely. So basically on this stuff, you try to get the ends in tight first, edge to edge, face it the right way. I use a flat bar or a small bar to kind of help just give it that little bit of a nudge to lock it in. Get a little snap. More pieces and she's all done.